Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Are you planning to work in Bulgaria in 2026? This video is exactly what you need. In the next 4 minutes, I'll explain the Bulgaria work permit process step by step, from getting a job offer to receiving your work permit. If you're from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Philippines, then make sure to watch this video till the end because I'm going to share some valuable tips to avoid visa rejection. Let's get started. Step 1. Get a job offer. The very first step is to obtain a genuine job offer from a Bulgarian employer. Without an employment contract, you cannot apply for a work permit. Most foreign workers are hired in industries such as manufacturing, warehousing, construction, hospitality, agriculture, logistics, IT and engineering for skilled professionals. Always verify your employer is legitimate before signing any documents. Now the step 2 is that your employer applies for your work permit. Once you accept the job offer, your employer starts the application process. For most foreign workers, the employer applies for what's called a single permit, which combines the right to work and reside in Bulgaria. In many cases, the employer must first demonstrate that no suitable Bulgarian or EU candidate is available for the position through a labor market test before the approval is granted. The employer submits the documents such as employment contract, company registration documents, your passport copy, educational or professional qualifications if required, job description and salary details. You usually do not need to travel to Bulgaria during this stage. Now the step 3 is to apply for a type D visa. Once the work permit or the approval is issued, you will apply for a national visa type D in a Bulgarian embassy in your home country. Typical documents include valid passport, work permit approval, employment contract, passport photographs, medical insurance, police clearance certificate, proof of accommodation if required. Processing times vary depending on the embassy and the workload. Now the step 4 is to travel to Bulgaria. After receiving your type D national visa, you can travel to Bulgaria. When you arrive, don't assume the process is finished. Your employer will help you to finish the remaining legal formalities before you can start working legally. Now the step 5 is to obtain your residence permit. The final step is to apply for your Bulgarian residence permit. You will visit the local migration authorities to provide passport, visa, work permit approval, address registration, biometrics including fingerprints and photograph. Once approved, you will receive your Bulgarian residence permit, allowing you to legally live and work in Bulgaria with your sponsoring employer. The complete process generally takes around 2 to 4 months, depending on employer preparation, government processing, and embassy appointment availability. Processing times can vary by case and location. So if you are planning to work in Bulgaria this year, apply as soon as possible. Here are a few important tips. Read your employment contract carefully before signing. Ensure your salary and job role match what appears on your work permit. Keep copies of every document you submit. Only use licensed recruitment agencies or deal directly with verified employers. So friends, this brings us to the end of our brief and informative video about how to apply for a Bulgarian work permit in 2026. I hope you liked the video. If you got value out of this video, please like, comment and share the video. And for more information, log on to our website. We'll mention the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. This is Ashutosh Jha signing off. Until next time.